So why'd you bring me up here?
Well, if you look out there, what can you see?
There's a lot of computers.
Yeah. And what do you bet that those computers are pretty expensive?
I bet pretty highly on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in there and we're just gonna take one.
You can't just take a computer.
Well, with all these people here and all these eyes that aren't paying attention to their own stuff, we just have to find an unsuspecting computer, all right? Nobody there, and we'll just pick it up and we'll leave.
Somebody would stop me. They would stop us.
No, okay,
Can't
because
take a computer.
look, we just say that it's ours, and no one will be none the wiser, all right? We can just leave.
That doesn't sound like a very good plan.
Well, okay. A bad plan is better than no plan.
You got me there, I guess.
All right.
So just walk down there and take it?
Yeah. So just get in position somewhere down there, find a computer, and we'll take it.
Well, we were there for a while. I think we did it. I got it.
Yeah,
I got it.
All right, well, I guess we can just leave.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
So yeah, you were coughing a little earlier. Thought you really needed a cough drop, you know? We all know the flu's going around, so here you go. Have fun.
Should probably use that cough drop.
Oh yeah.